Where you at, man? Tell America where you at, baby.
Yeah, where you at?
I'm in the ATL, baby. I'm where you at.
How you end up here?
I'm international. I go a little bit of everywhere, man.
But how you end up at this shop?
Cause the map led me here, baby.
They tell you anything about the burglar being at this joint?
They didn't tell me, but burglars here, right here, turning some wrenches, making it happen. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all heard it, America.
See nothing like that in my life.
John, I ain't never seen nothing like that in his life.
What's going on? He's doing that damn wheelie, man.
You doing wheelies?
Oh, you doing a wheelie on freaking Holly Period? How far you taking it down with?
Oh yeah, I did really
Past the cop.
Past the police. On the side of the road. You know when you're doing Willie on the hard, you can't see. I'm like this. I'm looking out the side like this. I see that motherfucker over on the right hand side. I'm like,
What you riding on?
I got electric light. Bagger.
You banging the bags on?
Did he bother to give chase, John? Or he just looked at you and went, damn.
Yeah, he was already had somebody else jacked. He just was like watching me go past.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't get it together, like, what it was. Am I supposed to move?
Oh, you was in it for a minute then? You was already in it when you saw him? You just got into it?
I was already on my wheel. Yeah, I was already up.
I'm tapping. He came out, he looked. He had his radio. He ain't seen no hard on the wheel.
He was stunned. He probably was like, am I seeing what I'm seeing?
He never seen it. And then he looked at all of us come by.
He said, you know what, let me let that ride. Let him go on down the road.
He called his brother. He
Yeah, let him go on down the road.
riding on the
I got it. Back at the shop, seeing what we got out here. Some of these things that are in development. You can see this right here. Oh yeah. That part right there. S&S combo slash monster. See the rims. It's in the prototype stages. As you can see, Road Glide reinvented the front. Okay, what size is that, man? Is it unknown? 124. I see you got the stretch wheel on the back. You know, y'all plan on going straight and fast. Is that what y'all saying?
That's what it is.
That's what it is? It ain't no game? Okay, I see it ain't no game. You know?
That other side out, right?
I'm looking. Oh, Lord. Put the cover back on that. Oh, okay. Supercharged. I didn't see that earlier when I first go around. They working on getting it together. Wayne's Car Stereo. I'm out. Hey now, time to get some food. All this riding wore a brother out. Following directions, I was supposed to be somewhere else, but this is where I ended up at. Whatever, you know, barbecue place. All right. As y'all see, we out here making it happen in the A. Got two brothers. Get down. You know what I'm saying?